For people belonging to the zodiac of the tiger during the year of the Rooster in 2017, there are 2 auspicious stars which can bring up your position and power, but there are also some bad stars which bring money loss and health problems. Career-wise, there are 2 auspicious stars which can bring up position and power. Those who are employees with good performances will have a chance for promotion. For those who are self-employed, bring up the popularity of your business first and profits will follow. Money-wise, since the auspicious stars are related to power and are not directly related to money, in order to bring up money and fortune, it is necessary to bring up your position and popularity first. This also indicates the need to work hard for the money. For the employees, salary raises depend on the promotion. For those who are self-employed, fortune comes with a good reputation. Be aware that there are a couple bad stars that represent losing money, so avoid speculations. Health-wise, there is a sickness star, so be sure to attend annual body checks and avoid high-risk sports and activities. For love, this year's love life is a little dull. For those who are single, expand your social network to know more people and to seek the right one.